Welcome to IPTV Hotspot. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Lenox media player on your iOS device. First, go to App Store, click Search, and type in Lenox media player. Hit Get and wait for the app to be installed. Then, open. Enter your service ID and hit Submit. Choose your language and enter your username and password. Once logged in, you will see the home screen. Television tab, channels, TV guide, movies, and series. You can also search for a channel, movies, or series by clicking the magnifying glass beside the Home tab. Please don't forget to visit our website www.IPTVHotspot.com to check for updates and check with our live agents online.